In this video, you'll learn how to enable push notifications on Binance. By following these steps, you will ensure that you receive important alerts about your trading activity directly on your device. Begin by navigating to the Binance platform. You can do this either through the mobile app or website. Once there, sign into your account, look for your profile or account menu, typically located in the top corner of the screen. Within this menu, find a section labeled Notifications, Preferences, or Settings. The exact label may vary depending on your app version. It is important to have the Binance app updated to the latest version to access all available options. Notifications are managed within the account settings rather than on trading pages, making this step crucial to avoid any confusion later. After accessing the notification settings, you will need to enable the types of notifications that are most relevant to you. You can turn on push notifications for significant events such as order-filled alerts and price movements. Additionally, it is advisable to enable security alerts, including notifications for logins and withdrawals, to enhance the security of your account. Be cautious not to enable every possible notification, as excessive alerts can lead to important messages being overlooked. If you engage in futures or margin trading, consider activating liquidation and margin warnings. Once you've made your selections, ensure you save or confirm the changes. Take a moment to review each notification category to fully understand its purpose, allowing you to customize alerts according to your trading behavior. Next, you will need to ensure that notifications are allowed at the device level. Open your phone's system settings and locate the Binance app. Within the app settings, confirm that notifications are enabled. You can choose to allow banners, lock screen alerts, or sounds based on your personal preference. Additionally, it is important to disable battery optimization or background restrictions that may prevent notifications from being delivered. To test your setup, create a price alert within the Binance app. If you do not receive any alerts, try restarting the app and logging in again. This step is essential for ensuring that notifications are delivered reliably to your device. By following these steps, you will have successfully enabled push notifications on Binance. This allows you to stay informed about critical updates and alerts related to your trading activities. Remember to periodically check your notification settings to make any adjustments as your trading needs change. Keeping your app updated will also ensure you have access to the latest features and notification options. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.